What's up guys, this is your boy Alphametic, and today we are going to get your new Mavic Air 2 ready for the first flight. Let's get right into it, shall we? Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video, so if you haven't watched the video on how to assemble your new Mavic Air 2, make sure to click right here. If this is your first time watching me, welcome to my channel. In this channel, we talk all about tech, cameras, accessories, and pretty soon we will be incorporating medicine and much more. So make sure to subscribe down below to stay tuned for more. If you already subscribed, welcome back. So one of the first things you have to do before even flying your new Mavic Air 2 is to register your drone with the FAA. I will leave the link in the description down below, where you can go and register. There are so many pages that will legally steal your money, charging you more than what it is. Registration is only $5, so don't get scammed. After you register your drone and paste the serial number on the outside of your drone, you are ready for flying. The FAA requires you to copy the serial number outside of the drone where it's visible. So that's done. You register your drone and you're all set. So what you have to do is first go to the App Store or the Play Store and download the Fly app. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to the drone. So first of all you have to do is go to the App Store and go and download the app, DJI Fly app. Once you download the app, make sure you open it. After downloading the Fly app, we will go ahead and remove the gimbal cover before turning the drone on. That way, when the gimbal is calibrating on your drone, the cover is not interfering. And the way you turn it on is by clicking one time, letting it go, and then hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Alright, now go ahead and insert your phone in the controller, connect the included cable, and power the remote, just the same way we turn on the drone. Launch the Fly app and make sure you register and you have a DJI account. So you will need Wi-Fi network in order to register. However, whenever you're on the go, you do not need Wi-Fi. And then turn on the drone by tapping and holding and do the same thing with the controller. So you click right here where it says connect to aircraft, and that's what it is. So you first agree the terms and conditions, you activate it, and then it's going to restart the aircraft. That's DJI Care Refresh, you're going to ask you. So DJI Care Refresh is if you damage your drone, that's basically the insurance for it, so you can get it replaced in case you crash the drone. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this, and done, you activate it. So now you're gonna have to update your drone, so just press update right here, and that's gonna take a few seconds to download. Once your drone is updated, you are ready to take this bad boy for a spin. If you enjoyed these, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions you may have, and subscribe for more content like this one. This is Alphametic, and see you in the next one.
We waste our lives lying, we're fine.